Hi, my name is Tanner. I'm the technology concierge here at Courtesy Acura, and today we're going to go over how to input commands and input favorites on the FM radio in the new 2019 RDX. So I'm going to go here to FM radio and click there. Often you already have a couple favorites in just from the factory. So let's go ahead and highlight and then press and hold. And you can remove your favorite up here, but let's go ahead and remove these two random favorites, and then you hit back to get back to regular radio. And let's add something else from station list. You can actually just swipe through all of the strong stations that it is currently picking up. So let's say I want 98.5. No idea what it is here. I don't listen to the radio much. Looks like it's country music. You do have country right there as the genre. So I want to add this as a favorite. I come down here to add favorite and I click and I can do current station. There we go. Now it says favorite added. So let's go ahead and add another station and add it from add favorite and do from station list. Let's go to something that I would actually listen to down here at 100.3. There we go. It says favorite added and it's already down here. So that's how you work the commands and set favorites in the radio in the new 2019 RDX. I hope you learned today, and thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me here at Courtesy Acura. Have a good day.